Damn, I don't have a coaster. There we go. Alright, you see the Tecovas shirt, you know something's going on. Maybe you even read the title and the thumbnail of this video. Well, ooh, we have a boot to review. So what we got here is the Tecovas Barrett Snip Toe Python boot. So this boot was a limited edition Python snip toe boot from Tecovas in October in 2021. And I actually was there when it launched, online that is, and I ordered one as soon as I could. And I'm loving it. It's just gorgeous. So Tecovas has released a few Python boots before, but this is their first ever snip toe. So we're going to go into the specifics of this boot and then give my final thoughts about it. So this boot is basically a standard Tecovas boot. The construction is all the same. You have the leather sole with a leather welt, and you have the lemonwood pegs in there with the steel shank. You have the leather underslung heel with the rubber heel cap, and obviously the burnishing with the Tecovas logo on the leather sole. You have a specific staining on here, unique colors. So for the bottom of the boot, you have a very beautiful brushed python leather, and this is their brick color. And you notice how the scales are kind of flipped up a bit. That is the brushing process that they did, and it's not, you know, unconditioned dry. I have conditioned these a whole bunch of times. It is just the style that they went for, and I personally like it. I think it's a unique touch, and it definitely makes it pop out. This was Tecovas' first try at their snip toe. They did a decent job with this, but they were a little, it seemed like they're a little sloppy on this toe right here. I'm not sure if you can see that, but it's a little wavy, and it's not really that much to write home about, but just, I wish it would have been a little more clean there, but it's alright. And now we're moving up to the shaft. This has both stitching and piping, and is a very unique stitching pattern and cord pattern. It's kind of like an X, because it's extremely cool, but I like it, and it's kind of has this kind of nubuck distressed feel to it, which I really enjoy. It just kind of adds a little bit more to this boot. And same with the leather pull straps, and it has the leather lining with the seams hidden, so a very, very soft feeling, very comfortable, non-removable leather insole. And this boot is actually really comfortable. I think it fits a bit tighter than the standard Tecovas, but that actually works for me because I'm a more of a narrow width. We're back on the front porch. We're gonna put on these Tecovas Barrett snip toe boots. Apologies if you can hear cows in the background. They're a little angry because it's like 100 degrees out right now. Alright. Man, these are some slick looking python boots. I just love the look of these. Well, I guess if I hated them I wouldn't get it, would I? I really like the brushed brick color for these pythons. I think it works really well. And they feel just so comfortable. They fit a lot better than some Tecovas that I've had before. Not sure why. Probably the last is a little different that they used for this snip toe. But I'm not too sure. I am no expert, nor am I a boot maker. But these are awesome. Alright. Time to get back inside. I don't wear these nearly at all because this is one of my nice pairs, and like the other Tecovas, I just don't want to mess them up. They are a collector's edition. basically, because you cannot get them anymore except secondhand. And when I got these, they're about $3.95 before tax, and they honestly, for that price, I think these are definitely worth, if you can snag them for that price and you want to collect, or you just want a nice snip toe python boot. I think these are very serviceable, and they look great, feel great, and I really enjoy them. Well, those are my thoughts on the Tecovas Barrett snip toe python boot. And if you like the video, just leave a like on the video and tell me what you thought down in the comments below. If you like this and you want to see more, subscribe. And as always,